Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to unbox our DJI Neo 2. So this is very fresh here in New Zealand. So I bought this in Noy Lemming, and then this is the price. 435. See? So guys, you know what is this? So I have my DJI, what's this? DJI RC remote. So not RC2 guys, but RC2 have the antenna here, but this is RC. So I try if it will be can connect in this remote, because I only seen in YouTube review it's this one, the original, the RCN, this RCN, and the RC2. But how about this RC controller with no antenna? This comes from the Mavic Mini 3. So stay tuned in my channel guys for the next episode. I'm gonna try to connect the Neo 2 from this RC controller. So no further ado, let's unbox. So see, still sealed in here guys. So we're gonna open this. Maybe tear in here. So we have guide here. I said tear in here. Have a very short nail guys, sorry. So this is it guys. So I'm gonna do like this and then open it. Oh, still not. I thought it's already. Okay. Oh, very nice. Wow, nice guys. This is how it feels. Look. And then first is this one. Oh. So there's another box in here guys. Look. And it's heavy. So I think the remote is here. It's heavy. And then this is the Neo 2. Look. So before the Neo 2 guys, it's see in the box first. So let's put it here for a while. What is in here? So I think like this. Okay. It's nice. It's a good feeling in here guys. Oh, the remote. So this is the remote guys. So before we open the remote, let's see what's inside in this another small box. Oh, okay. The charger. The charger guys is here. Oh, why it's not taking off? Oh, there's another cable guys. So it's empty now, nothing, just like that. Put it there. So this is the battery. Just put it for a while here. So I think this is the charger for the remote and for the charger guys, this cable here. So it is type C to type C. Look, type C to type C. So it's there. And then there's a type C to lightning for iPhone. And then there's our DJI manual here. So I like to open this, guys, because I like the sticker. Oh, good. There's a screw. I think this for the antenna, the two antenna at the back. And then yeah, it's there. This is the sticker. The sticker now is only one. Only this, guys. Only one. No more. And then it's a bunch of manual here. Quick start guide. So it's all here. What is this? ISA. And there's the QR code. So we just leave it here, guys. And I'm gonna stick this into my bike. Is it okay? I'm gonna stick it in the bike. Okay. So I'm gonna put this back. Put it back. And then here. Put this back on. And then we have only two spare props, guys. So this is the props. See, only two. So let's see the charger with two batteries in it. Wow, it's so nice for this plastic here. Feels very good. So they put it here. You can feel this off because maybe you forgot and then forgot to fill charging and then it's not charging. Nice. So I still gonna put this in here just like that. Okay. So this is the two charger. How to take this off? Like that? Oh. What? Up in here? No? Like that. So you need to be very careful for taking off, guys, because see there's a clip in the back and then it clamps in here. So when putting the battery, just only put first at the bottom and then it will slide. No, put first at the bottom and then slide, click, and that's it. There's no button here. Okay, to test. Oh, it's very, oh, there's still one here. It's two, so you have the same. So we're gonna charge this one, guys. They have provided a charging cable. We're gonna charge this. So we have that too. This is two battery because we have the battery in the drone itself. It's there. See, they have two also. So now the RCN controller N1. Nice. It's very nice, guys. Look. Joystick is here. It's also it's the same, guys. Same level. So the type C is still here because the lightning is there. So type C to type C. Good. Perfect. Volume. Up and down. So this is the RCN1 controller, guys. Nice. So I'm gonna put this back here. And look, my RC controller, and then RCN1. This one is elegant to look, guys. See? But yeah, we're gonna test the RC2, the Neo 2 for this RC controller, if this works. And the moment of truth, guys. This is the main event. So main event, guys, for our DJI Neo 2. Wow, feels good. It feels very soft in the plastic. See, they installed it already, and here it is. So see, this is the small monitor here, and then the sensor, and then yeah, the volume, and then there's 3 buttons here, guys. 360 obstacle avoidance, top and bottom. Look, guys, this is so good, feels good. Like that, guys. When I fly, guys, outside, it is so windy, you can still take this protector, because this will cause the drone drift more. So if you take off a little bit in here, it will make it very stable, like that. So let's see how to take this off in here. You just press, take off. So there you go, guys. This is the 1/2 inch sensor, 1/2 inch. Seamless, guys. And then yeah, 2-axis gimbal, you can do like that, and also in here. We're gonna charge this one, this drone, and then fly outside. So that's what you can get in the combo for controller and 3 batteries, guys, with this antenna already. So it's the drone, the RCN controller, and then 2 battery in the charger, and +1, so it's 3. And then you have 2 propeller extra, the clockwise and counterclockwise, and then 2 cables, lightning and Type-C cables for charging, for the remote and for the charger. See, that's it, guys. So it's so good now to see for the unboxing with the DJI Neo 2. So we're gonna see how to fly this thing on, guys. Try to power on. Oh wow, so it's 12. Look, guys, this is the gimbal, so up and down, see, look, up, down, side, 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 chicken head. So 2-axis gimbal, so that's good. And then you will see there's a saying there, unactive na unactivated, guys. So we're gonna activate this first before we're gonna fly. Okay, that's it for now for the unboxing, guys, and then I will show you the next video for the activation and the first flight indoor and outdoor. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.